Hello everyone, this is Shilpa Kulkarni teaching you the Unit 5, My Dog Fred. Unit 5, My Dog Fred from Semester 2, English, Class 2. Now before going with the poem, let me teach you the meanings which come across the poem, children. The first meaning, fetch. Go to get something. Fetch is nothing but go and getting something. To go and get something. Tricks, to jump, roll over on the floor. Tricks, to jump or roll over on the floor. Raised, looked after. Raised is looking after. Raising is nothing but children, our parents look after us. So that is raising. Now after this, I want you to take out your semester 2 book. Page number 38, semester 2 book. Page number 38. And before reading, I'll tell you something, children. Pets are the wonderful things which we really like to play, children. We all love to play with pets, right? So, do take care of your pets. Don't allow them to, go out without you, and don't lock them out when you are sleeping. Like, it is very dangerous for pets to be out. Or put them in the kennel and then lock them. So, caring them and feeding whatever they need is really good, children. Caring them is really important. Not only playing with them, we have to care pets, as it is very essential for the pets to be raised properly. Now, I want everybody to point out where I am reading, children. Unit 5, My Dog Fred. Ready to read. I have a dog, his name is Fred. He won't play fetch, he won't play dead. He won't shake hands or sit or stay or bark or beg and run and play. He won't roll over, shake or crowl. In fact, he won't do tricks at all. When folks ask why, I tell them that's because my dog was raised by cats. So this is all about the pet, children. Let me go stanza by stanza very clearly. Listen to me very clearly, carefully and patiently, children. Now, I have a dog. First stanza, children. It's very clear in the first stanza. I have a dog. His name is Fred. As I told you, he has a dog. His name is Fred. How do you spell it, children? F-R-E-D. Fred. I have a dog. His name is Fred. As I kept my dog Brownie, he kept his name as Fred. What is Fred? It's just a name. So how do you spell it, children? F-R-E-D. Now, he won't play fetch. See, now he is complaining about the dog, children. What he says is, he won't play fetch. What is fetch? I told you before. Go and get something. When I throw something in my house, my Brownie goes and gets it, children. He is not at all tired to get him what. How many times ever you throw it, he goes and gets it. That is my dog, my pet. But here the poet is saying my dog is very lazy. I don't know very lazy what he is saying. He just want to say that he doesn't play fetch. He won't play dead. What he says, he won't play dead. You know, children, the pet, when they want to grab your attention, they play dead. They just show you they are dead. They just show that they are dead. When to grab the attention. When I am out for longer time, I don't see him at all. I don't see my Brownie. So what happens when I come home? He just want to take my attention. So what he does, he will play as if he is dead. Again, I should pamper him. What happened, Brownie? Are you okay? En madligatti, Brownie. When I start doing that, he will open his eyes. So he just play dead. So here the poet says, he won't play dead. So he is grumbling, saying that he won't play fetch, he won't play dead. Next, he won't shake hands. You know, shaking hands, they just shake, children. You have seen dogs shaking hands. So he said he won't shake hands or sit or stay. When I say, Brownie, come here, he comes and sit beside me, children. So the poet says he won't sit, he won't stay. Stay, Brownie, if I say, he'll stay there. He'll just roam around beside me, but he won't go. So he says, the poet says, he won't sit, he won't stay. See what all he stays. Or bark. We usually see that the dogs bark when they see the new person coming. Yes? Do you have, do you have a dog who is barking on the newcomers, children? And the people are so scared of the dog. So he says, he doesn't even bark. So he is grumbling, children, my pet doesn't do anything. And then beg. Begging is not only begging for money, children, begging for eating also, begging for water, anything. If he wants to play with us also, he begs. My Brownie begs me. He just brings the ball and give it to my son or me, saying that I want to play. They cannot speak, so they only can beg and tell that he wants to play. So here the poet says he doesn't beg even. Run and play. He doesn't even run, he doesn't even play. You see, how many of you have seen dogs running, children? They run, they play, they love running, they love playing. You know, they just can't sit in one place. Whenever they are tired, they sleep, children. But every time they don't sleep. They like to run, they like to play. So here the poet says he doesn't run, he doesn't play, he doesn't bark, he doesn't beg. In the second para. The third para, he won't roll over. Now what is the trick? Just rolling over and jumping. He won't roll over. He doesn't roll over. You see, the dogs will be rolling over when they just are excited. They just roll over. He don't roll over. Shake. What is shaking, children? Just doing like this. He doesn't shake. He doesn't crowl. What is crowning? Going like this. Going slowly like this. He doesn't crown. In fact, he won't do tricks at all. So he says he doesn't do anything. Now he is fed up and saying he doesn't do anything. No tricks at all. No jumping, no running, no playing, no rolling, no crawling, nothing. So he is upset and saying he doesn't do anything at all. When folks ask why, I tell them that's because my dog was raised by cats. Now see, at last he doesn't want to listen that the dog is not normal. People will start asking you, why your dog is so abnormal? He doesn't play, he doesn't crowd, he doesn't do tricks, he doesn't play dead. What is this? Why your dog is like that? So he doesn't want to take a bad name of that dog. So what he says? He is raised by cat. He says he is raised by cat. What is flock, children? Flock is nothing but people. Flock is nothing but people. People ask children. People ask, why your dog is so lazy? Just sit in one place. Why? He doesn't bark. He doesn't come out. He doesn't play. He doesn't run. So people may ask. So he says, when people ask me, I will tell only one thing, that because my dog is normal, only because he is raised by cats, he act like this. So this was the poem, children. Now after this poem, I want you to draw a picture of dog, color it, and write 5 sentences on your pet. And I want you to name your own dog, children. As I have named my dog as Brownie, I want you to name your dog and then write 5 sentences on your, any 5 sentences, whichever you like in your pet. For example, my pet Brownie is dark in color. My pet Brownie is very active. My pet Brownie, every time you need not write my pet, you can write whatever you like. He loves to eat, he loves to play, he loves to do tricks. This is all you can add, children. So this was the poem. I hope you have understood it, and I want everybody to read it again and again. Make sure that you learn all the meanings, so that it will be easy for you to understand the poem, children. Thank you. Have a nice day.